Welcome to my channel. It's me, Noreen. Today is another day, another vlog. Medyo yung aking face today is not feeling well. I am not feeling well kasi I got runny nose. At the same time, I have cough and my throat is so sore as I said to my last video. And today, kakalinis lang din ng aking asawa dito sa yard namin. Naglinis kami kasi sobrang ulan, everyday ulan, and sana hindi na uulan today. And then di mo na tayo makapaglaba ngayon kasi sobrang baha ng ano namin dito na area. Hindi siya baha, pero doon sa kabila sa may coconut, sa may banana area, may banana tree, sobrang mabaha. So hindi namin siya malinisan, sobrang baha dito, tsaka yung kanal namin. And so, kailangan lang din natin na kailangan natin na magpa-sweat kasi para lalabas yung ano natin, yung toxic sa katawan natin. So, kailangan natin magalaw-galaw. Ayoko kasi na mga palangga. Ayoko kasi na palaging humihiga pag may sakit tayo. So, today, kailangan natin magalaw-galaw para hindi mag-last yung sakit natin. Because I got this one because of the weather. It's Saturday and it's as I said, it's straight rain. So ngayon lang talaga ako nakapag-vlog. Lumabas na talaga yung si Haring Araw. Ayan, so late na tayo nakapag-vlog, no? Ayan, hi! Ganda ng panahon. Thank you, Lord. Dito tayo ngayon. Medyo baha pa yung kanal namin. Kailangan natin siyang i-harvest. Mag-harvest tayo ng natin, papaya. Ang daming papaya na. Pero, paano tayo makadaan nito? Pero kailangan natin siya kunin yung bunga natin na papaya para makain na. Ayan, ang daming bunga. Sana yun? Yan. Ang daming bunga. Tara, magbili muna ako ng charcoal, mga palangga, dahil nga kailangan natin magluto ng isda. Yan, ito pala yung tinanim ko na na tomato. Yan na yung ating tomato, pero hindi pa siya nagbunga. Paya natin, So, andito tayo ngayon sa ref. Labas ko lang yung fish natin. Sabi ko sa inyo, magluto tayo ng fish. Kaya natin galaw-galaw lang muna. So, yung fish natin, nandito, kailangan natin siyang, magkuha lang ako ng few. Bili ako sa store ng charcoal. So, ngayon lang talaga tayo nakapag-vlog dahil nga ay not feeling well for many days. So, ayan. Lagay ko muna to. Yan yung ating isda. Ayan. Tatay sa labas. Kanina kakatapos lang din namin maglinis, mag-grass cutting ni Habi sa labas. Kailangan mag-grass cutting dahil nga ay sobrang taas na ng mga grass sa labas. So, ayan na yung charcoal natin. Nakabili na tayo ng charcoal. So, punta na tayo sa labas. It's starting to dark na, so we have to we have to start the fire. So, tara! So, ayan! Lagyan natin tong remaining na isda natin dito sa ref. Kasi nagsugba na tayo sa labas, mga palangga. Ilang araw na lang din tayo hindi nakapag-upload. Yan. Sana hindi siya Dali. Gusto ko siyang may wala tayong kamatis. At ito, meron tayong bowl. Okay lang yung face ko. Tapos meron tayong onion. Tapos, lagyan lang natin ng tuyo at suka. Gagawa lang tayo ng sausawan. Pagkatapos natin magluto ng mag-grilled ng isda, tapos na tayo sa sausawan, ready to eat na. Nakaluto na din ako ng rice, mga palangga. Hindi talaga mawala yung rice natin. Yan. Yung kamay ko malinis, kakahugas ko lang ng kamay. Gusto ko rin to na may kamatis. Pero wala tayong kamatis. Onion na lang. Tapos suka. Ito yung homemade vinegar ko, mga palangga. Na maraming chili. Gusto ko kakain na yun ng chili. Gusto ko siya. Dami naman. Then, tuyo. Ayan. Matama lang yung tuyo natin. Ayan. Ay, hindi makiularo. Hindi masyadong klaro. Ayan, sobrang sarap. Ayan yung ating ginawa na sausawan. Para ready na tayo kakain later. So, namula yung aking mukha. Dahil sabi ko sa inyo, I'm not feeling well. Kaya namula, magluto lang tayo ng food ni Habi katapos ko mag-grilled. Kasi yung aking asawa ayaw kumain ng niyang kumain ng grilled fish. Ako, magluto lang ako pagkatapos ko mag-grill doon. Lagay ko lang to sa table. Yung ating sausawan. On ko muna itong lights. Yan. Kasi sobrang dilim. Takpan lang natin tong ating sausawan. Then, punta tayo sa labas. Dilim. Kasi, yung lights namin dito, mga palangga, hindi siya naka-on. Kaya madilim. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung fish natin. Ayan, nag-grilled tayo. So, ayan, malapit na yun maluto yung ating grilled fish. And, meron tayong true Aussie beef. Ayan, magluto tayo ng beef stick kasi this is like the thin already slice yung ating beef. So kailangan lang natin siyang yung ating beef. Tapos so yun lang din ang kakainin ng aking asawa, yung beef stick na lulutuin natin. Then since hindi pa yun na naluto yung ating grilled fish, mag-prepare muna tayo ng onion para mamaya pag ready na yung ating beef, then madali na lang siyang lutuin. Gusto lang magluto ng ating grilled fish. Magsuba tayo, and today meron tayong mga lamas here. We have onion and ayan, toko. Meron tayong onion at saka garlic. Tapos meron tayong, ayan, beef. Tapos lutuin na natin to. Ayan, request ni Habi. Lagay natin tong parsley natin. Luto tayo kasi gabi na. Ang dami there's a lot of noise outside. The cricket, as you hear. Lucy, what do you want? Are you hungry na? Lalagay na natin to. Lagay na natin itong beef natin. Imayin ko lang siya. Yan na. Got this. Stir lang natin. Kailangan natin siyang lutuin yung meat. bago natin siya ilaglagyan ng soy sauce. Yan, ilagyan ko na siya ng soy sauce. Stir lang natin, tapos takpan natin. Yan. Tinakpan ko na yung ano natin, yung beef para maluto yung meat. Tapos ilagay natin itong parsley. Kasi yung if I cook a beef steak, I love putting parsley onto it after siyang maluto. Like it's garnish on it. Then sobrang gustuhan ko siya. Then nagluto nga pala si Habi ng rice niya. Oh, nilagyan niya pala ng parsley. So itong rice na to is no carbs. Yung rice. Then very healthy. They have a lot of parsley here. Then the fish. So yung fish natin. So nagluto tayo ng fish. Rice na dinner ni Habi. Tapos meron tayong sausawan. Ayan. Lagyan ko siya ng broccoli. Kasi masarap siya pag meron siyang broccoli yung ating beef steak. So ayan. It's very healthy too. So since mahilig yung aking asawa sa gulay, and then we are both eating healthy foods, and since I'm sick, eat a healthy food and take good care of ourselves. So ayan, nilagay ko na lang pala doon sa freezer yung ating remaining na beef kasi para hindi siya masira. Ang dami naman pala doon, so it's enough for our dinner. So nilagyan ko pa siya ng broccoli, so para enough lang siya. Tinakpan ko lang siya mga palangga para maluto yung ating broccoli. Really good taste. Titikpan natin to. Kasi nilagyan ko siya ng spices para gana yung kain natin. So, you have to taste this first. Very good. Oh. Maanghang. Good for the throat. Ayan, meron pa pala tayong isang apple. Igamitin na lang natin to. Ayoko siyang masayang mga palangga. Yung ating apple. So, gagawa muna lang tayo ng ng smoothies. So, ayan, meron tayong apple at saka yung avocado. Ayoko naman siyang masayang yung apple natin. Meron tayong isang A1. So, i-shake natin to. So, walang sugar to mga palangga dahil nga di tayo pwede mag-sugar kasi healthy foods nga tayo. And, kainin ko the rest of this apple.
Is the meat done yet?
Yeah. I'm just cooking the
Cooking what?
the rest. I only use the 1 pack of the beef.
Okay.
Because it's enough already.
I think so.
Beef. Sarap. Ilagay na natin itong ating parsley. There. Naluto na yung ating beef steak with broccoli. Ano na. Super yummy. Yan. Look at that. Sarap. So, ayan, kakain na kami. Yan ang ating food. Tired?
Yes.
Yan.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I love broccoli.
Diba? O, diba? Worth it of waiting, ha?
Yeah.
I told you. Wait lang, I'm gonna get rice. Your asawa always eating rice. And you too.
Yeah, I'm eating my rice.
Rice is life. So dry when my rice is today. Oh no.
You pray tonight.
Yeah. Let me set this one for a while. Shake, shake, shake. I drinking cold. Yung ating avocado, you have to wait na lang to thaw that. But look at my beef that I cook, mga palangga. Sabi ni Habi, very delicioso. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. You have to taste it. I did not much put any seasoning because
Good.
not really much good to us, the seasoning. Magic not good.
I don't want seasoning.
Yan, kain muna tayo. Meron tayong rice. May soy sauce tayo. Dami naman soy sauce natin, oh. Ayan. Sa nakita nyo. Yan. Basta, yun na. Dabe, let us taste that one.
Give that dog some fish.
Yeah. Let us taste first. Ooh. Meron tayong meat, broccoli, at saka yung parsley. Test.
That dog
You already prayed.
Give that dog some fish. Wait, son. Look right back.
Very good. Come here. Spicy.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Because
She's giving you food.
I know she loved this fish because she cooked with also
Who?
the dog. While I'm cooking this grilled fish. They may. Bigyan natin itong ating ato ka. Nagutom na sila. Yan, kain tayo. Dinner. Woo, I like it. Very spicy in my mouth and it's really good.
But you put it in Cayenne?
Yeah.
Good.
And then you don't wanna eat. What's wrong?
Son, don't want it.
Why?
Archie.
The meat, babe, the meat. I like the meat because it's very soft, but
Very
I have to
spicy
cook,
too.
and I like it because you have to cook the.
Okay, you guys ready?
Kain tayo. They want the head fish. Bigyan natin to, mga doggy natin. Ayan na. What's wrong?
I
Spicy?
don't know what time it is to be drinking. Something on me. Right here. That in or in that?
Termites,
No way.
That's a fresh garlic. So let's eat the fish.
Big guy, you make a mess. Look, she looks it. Now son gonna eat it.
I have soy sauce here. Fish. Right.
Sound like small portions.
Yeah. Oh no, no head anymore. Because you're so slow. So she ate the head fish. It's good too. Spicy, got onion. Yep. It's good though. I mean,
The next morning.
maulan yung panahon. Umuulan everyday talaga, mga palangga. Hindi pa tayo nakapagtapos makapaglaba dito. Oh, ang dami ko pang labahan. So, kasi umuulan. Everyday is rainy day. Bumaha na naman dito sa likod namin. And katapos lang namin maglinis ng aking asawa. Umuulan na naman, mga palangga. Kahapon umuulan. Everyday na talaga umuulan. Tapos hindi pa ako tapos maglaba. Tapos di matapos-tapos yung gawain natin kasi sobrang ulan. Tapos ito, meron tayong oregano. Ang dami nating oregano. Oh, this is really good for cough. Mag-boil tayo nito para sa ating throat. Ayan, kukuha tayo mamaya nito kasi mag-boil tayo nito. Yan. Woo! Lakas ng ulan at saka hangin. Ito lang yung mga chili, pepper natin, mga palangga para maulanan. Ang lakas ng ulan. Ayan, bagyo na. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Baha na naman. Hindi pa kami natapos maglinis ng habi dito mga palangga. Sobrang taas na ng mga damo. So, ayan mga palangga, kahit nga we're not feeling well, still have runny nose, I have cough, but we're still harvesting our fresh veggie and fruit from our backyard. So, from our garden to table. So, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo yung hinarvest natin na mga yung prutas, at mahilig tayo dito sa prutas na to. So, kaya nagtanim tayo ng papaya. So, ngayon, may aanihin na talaga tayo kasi sabi ko sa inyo, pag may tanim, may aanihin. So, mahilig tayo sa tanim. So, kung alam nyo lang, mahilig nyo magtanim. And then, ito na. So, ito na yung ating product. Ito na yung inani natin. Meron na tayong papaya. Sobrang laki ng papaya, oh. Ayan. Pwede na tong gagawa tayo ng atsara, no? Pero mas gusto ko siyang kainin fresh. Kasi wag muna tayo mag-sugar ngayon kasi yung atsara may sugar. Ito, dalawa yung hinarvest namin kasi malapit na tong mahinog, oh. After 2 days. Then meron tayong fresh chili at saka ano yung isa? Spinach or alugbati. So, ayan, ang dami na nating chili, no? Mahal pa naman yung chili ngayon sa mall. Kung bibili ka sa mall, mahal na to. So, ayan, pag magtanim tayo, fresh, lang siya. Free lang. So, ayan, meron pa tayong alugbati. Bibili tayo ng alugbati sa palengke, parang 10 pieces lang. Konti pa. So, ayan. Kain tayo ng gulay palagi dahil para madali tayong gagaling. Mulan nga pala kanina. Everyday sa rainy day. So, kaya, ayan. Magluto muna tayo. Ayan. Bigyan natin ng magic sarap. Hindi lang. Soy sauce. Not too much. Yan. Oh, lagyan natin ng pepper kasi much better merong pepper sa ating vegetables. Yan. Antayin natin siyang maluto. Takpan lang natin to. Yan. Sobrang bango. Walang meat. I don't put any meat. Kasi gusto ko healthy lang tayo. Yan na. So, yun lang. We have to wait for like 10 minutes to cook. Chicken. Hotdog. Merong hotdog. Merong manok. Diba? Kapaya. Sana. Okay na? Yara, alright. Yun na, yung pinadala ko sila biscuit. Tapos sardinas. Okay, yung iba pa, milk. Hi guys, kakatapos ko lang magluto ng ating fresh. So this is our fresh mung beans that I cook. And this is our spring rolls wrapper. And let's make it now. Oh, I have to prepare some water. Here's, we have water here. Wait. We need to prepare some water. Alright. And of course, I have to separate this one. I really love this wrapper. since day one. I guess. So, another one. Oops, stirring. Got to slowly, para hindi siya maano. Not gonna tear. But I double it. I can double it too. Just slowly begin sticking. My hand is clean and I just wash. So since I'm done, yan na yung wrapper natin. So let's start. Just 1 spoon only, not too much. Oh, yeah, depends on. Here you go. Just need like that, a little bit. Rub. Roll, then do side by side, then like that. Okay, good. This is it. Look at that. Another one. Hopefully this is a wrapper, just enough for these vegetables. Look at. And I really miss to eat lumpia. Rub it, then good to go. Yan. Look at. We're all uniform. Right. Then good. Right. Perfect. I think we're gonna cook lumpia few. Then the rest of it we can put it in the ref. And it's not gonna be bad. You can also cook wherever you want. So I'm done wrapping and I'm gonna put this one here. Kasi we're going to cook for this one. I'm gonna cook few. Alright. It's really good. I like it. So I'm just gonna cook 4 pieces of our lumpia. So look at that. See? And we're gonna cover this one with plastic cover. And we're gonna put this one in the fridge. And this is really good. Here's our lumpia and we can cook this tomorrow again. So luto tayo. Ayan, katapos ko lang din magluto ng lumpia natin. Here's our lumpia. Medyo na broken lang yung kasi nanipis yung kanyang wrapper. Pero it's okay. So ito lang yung lumpia natin. Sobrang gusto ko tong lumpia na to. And it's homemade. I am the one who cooked the gulay and wrap it. And of course, we're going to eat this one. This is our dinner. And I really love lumpia or spring roll when it comes to with vinegar. And I did this one with vinegar and it really tastes so good. So this is our dinner. And kakain muna kami mga palangga. Thank you so much for watching. And I think this is not gonna be long vlog kasi sobrang I have to rest and I am not really feeling well today. As you can see, because you can hear in my voice, really bad. But thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe.